Hi, I'm Jackie. I'm a DaVita dietitian. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a kidney-friendly whole chicken in a slow cooker. To start, you'll need these ingredients. I love this recipe because you can use the leftover chicken to make so many other meals, like chicken fruit salad or fajitas. First, remove the giblets from the cavity and wash the chicken. You'll want to trim any extra skin and visible fat. Then, sprinkle part of the pepper inside the cavity. Place the onion and celery pieces inside the cavity and sprinkle the remaining pepper over the chicken. Next, place the whole chicken in the slow cooker, breast side up. Cook on the high setting for 4 hours until the thigh and leg easily pull away and the meat comes off the bones easily. Remove the skin and remove the meat from the bones. You now have a tasty chicken that can be used in salads, chicken and pasta, lettuce wraps, and so much more. If you'd like, you can use the stock from the cooked chicken to make soup or freeze to use later. There are more than 1,100 kidney-friendly recipes like this one at davita.com/diet. Try a new one today.